in northeastern Oklahoma, northeastern Creek County in northeastern Oklahoma, central Tulsa County in northeastern Oklahoma, until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 3 miles northwest of Sepulpa, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour.
More active than it was at 4 a.m.
Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following effects are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in or near the path include Tulsa, Sand Springs, Sepulpa, Jenks Riverside Airport, Turley, Gray. This includes Interstate 44 between mile markers 207 and 230. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time for northeastern Oklahoma. The tornado warning for north central Waggoner County is canceled. The tornadic thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area, therefore the warning has been canceled.
It's another one.
A tornado watch